Welcome to your PX assembly. Today we are building the foundation of your new closet system. Make sure you have plenty of space and a friend to help later on. Before we start, a critical safety reminder. Furniture tip-over can cause serious injury. This wardrobe must be secured to the wall using the provided hardware once assembly is complete. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a level, a hammer, a pencil, and a tape measure. A drill and a ladder will also be necessary for the final steps. Always assemble your furniture on a rug or the flattened cardboard box to prevent scratching your floors or the wardrobe panels. Let's check our hardware. You should have cam pins, screws, cam locks, wooden dowels, and various brackets. Take a moment to organize them so they are easy to find. Locate the bottom panel and attach the L-shaped plastic brackets using the small 100,347 screws. Make sure they are flush with the edge. Now, take your side panels. Screw the 112,996 cam pins into the designated holes at the top and middle sections. Finish prepping the side panels by adding the final cam pins at the bottom. Use a screwdriver and tighten them until the shoulder is flush with the board. Insert the wooden dowels into the outer holes on the edges of the top and bottom panels. These provide structural alignment. On the bottom panel, insert the plastic sockets for the leveling feet. You might need to give them a gentle tap with your hammer. Snap the leveling foot components together as shown. You'll hear a click when they are properly seated. Now, screw the assembled leveling feet into the sockets you just installed on the bottom panel. Insert wooden dowels into the ends of the small base support rails. These will go under the bottom panel later. Pro tip, check your ceiling height. If your ceiling is lower than 244 centimeters, you'll need to assemble the frame upright. Otherwise, we'll build it lying down. Align the bottom panel with the bottom of the first side panel, sliding the dowels and cam pins into place. Repeat the process for the second side panel. Be careful not to let the panels twist as you work. Drop the 113,434 cam locks into the holes and turn them clockwise with a screwdriver to lock the bottom panel to the sides. Slide the prepped base support rails into position under the bottom panel as shown. They help with weight distribution. Carefully lower the top panel onto the side panels, ensuring all dowels and cam pins line up perfectly. Insert and tighten the cam locks on the top panel. Your main frame rectangle is now complete. With your partner, carefully flip the frame over so it's lying face down on the floor. This is prep for the back panel. Unfold the back panel and lay it over the frame. Make sure it's squared up perfectly with the edges of the side panels. Use the plastic nailing guide to secure the first top corner with a 124,593 nail. This guide ensures the nails go straight into the panel edge. Secure the other top corner, checking one last time that the frame is perfectly square. Now for the fun part. Hammer in the remaining 47 nails around the entire perimeter of the back panel using your guide. Time to stand it up. Have your helper assist you in lifting the frame from the top until it's upright against the wall. Position the wardrobe exactly where you want it. Use a pencil to mark the wall through the top brackets for drilling. Use a screwdriver through the holes in the bottom front to adjust the leveling feet until the wardrobe is perfectly plumb. Drill your holes and use appropriate wall plugs for your wall type. Secure the brackets and snap on the decorative covers. Pop in the small plastic caps to cover the unused assembly holes. It gives the wardrobe a clean, finished look. If you're building a larger closet, bring the next unit alongside. Ensure both are level and plumb before proceeding. Clamp the frames together and drill through the pre-drilled holes in the side panels using a 5mm drill bit. Insert the connecting screws and sleeves through the holes and tighten them to lock the two PX frames into one solid unit. Great job!